Hello, this is Dan Alford with ARC Specialties. We're out in the shop. I'd like to show off one of the newest machines we've just finished. We're known for our robotic systems, but sometimes the best system is actually a dedicated machine built specifically for the project. And that's what we have here today. This is a seam welder, but it has a lot of interesting features because we're welding not steel plate, but steel mesh. The problem you have when you're welding steel mesh is the tiny wires tend to vaporize and disappear, and we can't do that. We have to fuse each and every one of them. So we're using a lot of our tricks to make this work. First off, we're using gas tungsten arc welding, and we're feeding the wire in from the front edge. By feeding the wire in the front, we actually shield the mesh from the arc and help to prevent that vaporization. But we're also known for our hot wire systems because hot wire allows you to produce welds faster with less dilution than a standard cold wire system. Normally with hot wire we feed in the back, but this case we're feeding in the front. We're also using hydrogen gas because this helps to deoxidize the part and allows us to reduce the total heat input. We're using a water-cooled platen to improve productivity, so the platen never gets hot at all. We have an optional arc voltage controller, which allows the system to automatically accommodate for variations in part height. And the way we approach these projects is we use a single controller. This single computer not only controls the amperage, but it ramps, pulse, controls the pre-flow, and does the coordination of all the motion. John Martin is not just the project manager on this one, but he actually wrote this custom software to make this system work. So John, along with Jose handling the electronics design and Bill handling the mechanics, plus the entire shop pitching in to build this machine, made this whole system possible. At ARC Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.